and welcome to another ZarMoney training session. In this module, we'll be learning how to create custom fields. Custom fields give you the flexibility to add customized information to data that ZarMoney already tracks about your customers, vendors, and items that you purchase and sell. When you set up custom fields, ZarMoney adds your custom fields to the features of your choice. For this example, we're going to be adding a customer PO number to our sales order and our invoices. Okay, let's get started. From any screen in ZarMoney, hover over the gear icon. From the left sidebar that pops up, we're going to go to the Custom Fields icon. We're going to click Add a new custom field. For the label, I'm going to put Customer PO number. And I'm going to use the text type for this example. I'm going to click the checkbox next to Invoice and Sales Order. And I'm also going to checkbox next to Avoid Duplicate, meaning you can't create multiple sales orders for the same customer PO number. This just helps us to avoid confusion. Check the box next to Mandatory if you want this information required for every time you create a sales order or invoice. Okay, we're going to click Save and Close. Okay, let's just create a new sales order to see what we've done. As you can see, the customer PO number field now pops up when you create a new sales order. Let's do the same for invoices. We can open up an existing invoice and add the customer PO number field to an existing invoice as well. So I'm going to type in 10489 for this example, save and close. Now we're going to look at our templates, and I'm going to bring up the template options for our invoices. In order to print the custom field, we're going to have to go to the specific template we're using. So click the pencil icon, scroll down to Show Advanced Settings, click the box next to Customer PO number, and then click Save. Okay, let's see the effect. Now when we go to Invoice, we can pull up an invoice, and if the customer PO number field is filled out, it will print on your invoice. You can also edit where the custom field appears in your template. We'll conquer this in another training video. Okay, that's all for this training session. For more help, visit us at ZarMoney.com.